Watertown traffic, Musketeer 4759er Juliet, taking 30 for departure, Watertown. Take a quick peek there.
I will.
Up and out.
Nobody there. We're good. All good. And then we'll do a lineup of the DG when we get on the center line of the runway out here. I can do that on the run.
Should we take a quick check again here real quick?
On what?
2
weather?
0 at 05.
Oh, we're good.
Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 5000.
I'm good here.
Temperature.
Oh, you don't have a heading bug in here, do you? Oh yeah, you do. Haha.
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready if you are.
Watertown traffic, Musketeer 59er Juliet, over the airfield, 4000 Watertown.
There we go, we're starting to come in.
Dew point minus 06 Celsius.
128.5, good Delta.
0. Remarks. Density altitude 200. Watertown Municipal Airport, Watertown.
Minneapolis Center, good afternoon, citation 123, Kilo Delta at 28.7, descendant 240.
2 Zulu.
Transmit on 2305, their citation.
04. Visibility 10. Sky condition few 3000. Overcast 5000. Temperature minus 01 Celsius. Dew point minus 06 Celsius. Altimeter 30.
Watertown area traffic, sky on 46232 is at 5,500, 13 miles to the east of the airfield, circling the airfield.
Down South Dakota. Automated weather observation 2112 Zulu. Wind 29er at 04. Visibility
04 winds, huh? I'm gonna call us established here pretty soon.
Yep, let's call it right there.
And Watertown traffic, Musketeer 4759er Juliet is established on the ILS 35 inbound. Will be full stop on 35 Watertown.